In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Connecteam to QuickBooks. This integration can streamline your business processes by syncing your employee management with your financial data, making your life just that much easier. So let's dive in and get started with connecting these two powerful platforms. First, you'll want to log into your Connecteam account. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile name. Give it a click. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options for you to explore. What we're interested in today is the integrations option, so go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the integrations section, you'll notice a search bar. This is where you can find all the different platforms that Connecteam can integrate with. Type QuickBooks into the search bar. As you start typing, Connecteam will begin to filter the available integrations for you. Once you see QuickBooks appear in the list, go ahead and click on it. By clicking on QuickBooks, you'll be taken to a new screen that will guide you through the process of connecting your accounts. What's happening here is that Connecteam is setting up a secure link between your employee management and QuickBooks, your accounting software. This connection will allow data to flow seamlessly between the two platforms, ensuring that everything from employee hours to payroll is accurately recorded and up to date. You might be prompted to log into your QuickBooks account during this process if you're not already logged in. Make sure you have your QuickBooks login credentials handy. Once logged in, grant the necessary permissions for Connecteam to access and update your QuickBooks data. This step is crucial as it ensures that Connecteam can effectively communicate with your QuickBooks account, enabling the integration to work smoothly. After you've successfully connected the two platforms, take a moment to explore any integration settings available. This might include options to customize how data is synced or to set specific parameters based on your business needs. Doing so can help optimize the integration for your specific use case, ensuring that you get the most out of this powerful connection. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Connecteam to QuickBooks. This integration will save you time and reduce the chance of errors by automating the transfer of data between your employee management and accounting systems. Whether you're managing payroll, tracking employee hours, or just keeping tabs on your business's financial health, this connection will make the process much more efficient. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Have a great day!